Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. In this video we will see how to generate multiplication table using Java programming. For example, we have a number 5 entered by the user and we are getting the output here as 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10. Like this we are getting till 10, right? So in order to print this output or multiplication table, we will write a program. For that we have a class and then we have a main method here. So in order to take the input from the user, we will call the scanner class here, import java.util.scanner, right? Also, in order to take the input from the user, first we will create the object of a scanner class. See, system.in in order to take the input. The another thing is we will pass one message to the user to enter the number. Now we will create one variable here with type num and integer type, and we will call the reference variable of object as a scanner class sc dot. Now we have a function called next int. So this is a basically function method we call it. So these method we call to take the input from the user of integer type, right? So now we have object of the scanner class, we have passed the message, we have now written the method to take input from the user. Now what we will do is we will write a for loop here, int I is equal to 1 to start the multiplication from the 1. I should be less than equal to 10 in order to print the table of any number till 10, and this I will increase by 1 here. Now we will print the output. In order to print the output in console, what we'll do is we have now the number that user will enter here, these multiply by into I would be basically this number. These like multiplication in the number entered by the user will start from 1, so that's why we have taken here the value 1 of I. So now we will print this. So once we'll run the program, now it is asking to enter the number, so we'll enter the number 5 here. So now we are getting the output, but still here the output is like this, and we are getting only the multiplication number of the entered number of by the user. So what we will do is we will use concatenations in order to so these 5 into 1 5 into 2 5 into 3 is equal to these. So we'll use concatenations. So for that what we will do is we have first number here that is entered by the user. In these, after that we have a sign of multiplication. So what we will do is we'll enter here again concatenation with plus sign. Now after this we have a I value, so I will increase at every time till 10 number. So now we have I concatenation now. Then again we have a sign of is equal to, and then we have an output. So what we will do is we will add an is equal to sign here, and then these. So this is how we can do the concatenation. Now when we'll run the program, we'll get the output. Let's say 5, we are getting the output same as written here, right? Let's check with another number also. let's say we can write here, enter the 6. Now we are getting a table of number 6. So these were the program for this video. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. To get the more video on programming questions, please like the channel and share and subscribe. Also click on the bell icon to get updates on every new videos. Thank you so much.